In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your mobile deposit limit at Bank of America. If you've ever found yourself wondering about the restrictions on depositing checks through your mobile device, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. First things first, you'll want to have your smartphone at the ready and locate the Bank of America mobile banking app. Open the app and proceed to sign in using your online ID and passcode. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, you'll need to visit your phone's app store and download it before you can sign in. Once you're safely inside the app, the next thing you'll do is navigate to the deposit section. Start by tapping Deposit Checks on your home screen. You should find this option under the Transfer and Deposit tab, or it may be located conveniently at the top of your dashboard. This feature is designed to make the check depositing process seamless and straightforward. Now that you've accessed the deposit section, it's time to select the account you wish to deposit your check into. Whether it's your checking or savings account, simply select the corresponding option. The app will automatically load the deposit options that are available for your chosen account. Before you proceed to snap photos of your check, take a moment to locate the Check Deposit Limits option. This is typically presented as a note or link indicating deposit limit XXXX was at sex. Tapping on this link will display a deeper insight into your deposit limitations, highlighting both your daily and monthly deposit thresholds. Upon viewing your deposit limit details, you'll be informed about the daily deposit limit, which denotes the maximum amount you can deposit via mobile in a single day. You'll also observe your monthly limit, which specifies the total amount you are allowed to deposit over a 30-day period. It's important to note that these limits are applied per account, meaning they are not cumulative across all of your accounts. Finally, if you find that you're frequently bumping up against these limits, there is an optional step you can take. Consider visiting a Bank of America financial center to discuss the possibility of raising your limit, especially if you have a long-standing account. Alternatively, you can call Bank of America at their service number to inquire about your options. Remember, you always have the option to deposit larger checks in person or at an ATM, which does not adhere to the same mobile deposit restrictions. By following these simple steps, you should now have a clear understanding of how to check your mobile deposit limit with ease. With this knowledge in hand, managing your check deposits via smartphone will be a hassle-free experience.